It is a usual day for Township Primary School in Mandera town as hundreds of young students flock to the school compound to quench their thirst for the day learning. But today isn't usual day they expected. 10 out of their 15 teachers have left the school without warning. The remaining 5 teachers are left to face the burden of teaching more than 800 students.
Other alternatives methods of teaching, we have combined classes. We are using the multi-grade method of teaching as well as the multi-shift method of teaching. We combined the candidate class 8 and 7, also 5 and 6, 4 and 3 were combined, and the others we used the ECD teachers who were available at the school. In fact, the situation is a disaster, if I may say. Some of the classes even may go back home without a lesson, or sometimes they only had one lesson.
The teaching crisis affecting hundreds of students is felt across the 4 corners of the county. The non-local teachers who make the bulk percentage of teaching fraternity in the county are living in hurry after getting a directive from Teachers Service Commission over insecurity fears.
We have 714 non-locals in primary sector and 295 non-locals, that is the non-locals, I'm talking of non-locals, in primary and secondary. And out of that, so far, as I am now talking, we have 550 primary teachers who have left, and we also have 254 secondary schools who have left, and even the rest who are remaining, we expect them to follow. So,
despite the crisis, the county education stakeholders, including school heads and parents, are working around the clock to make sure the school learning are not affected.
We are happy the measures they have put in place to ensure that all our primary schools, secondary schools don't close down as a result of the mass exodus of teachers, as government puts in place mechanisms to ensure that the schools receive teachers again. And from the look of things, the County Education Board has empowered the school boards of management to ensure that the schools remain open and ensure that at least the children are taught. Because we cannot afford to release these children outside, because an idle mind is the devil's workshop, and therefore
walimu wale wa private sector hakuna hata moja ametoka. So hii mambo ya kusema kwamba walimu wale wanafai wa TSC peke yao ndio wanatafutwa sio kweli.
Mass exodus of non-local teachers is a major blow to the already struggling education sector in the region. Ramla Hassan, Dawa Media.